Hello everyone, welcome back to the DevOps course from CAD Guild. In this session we are going to discuss the fifth module of DevOps training. We are going to talk about IAC, Infrastructure as Code. If you've missed the previous sessions, please check the links in the description. As a DevOps professional, you have probably heard of IAC or Configuration Management before, along with tools like Puppet, Ansible, Chef, CF Engine, and SaltStack. In this video, we shall discuss these tools to understand what they are and how they're useful to us. Let's start with the basics. What is IAC? IAC, or Infrastructure as Code, enables us to manage and configure our physical and virtual machines programmatically. Say we have 5 servers. Each of these servers are configured in a certain way. So for example, in server 1, we have Git. In server 2, we have Jenkins. Server 3 has Tomcat. Server 4 is for database, and lastly, Server 5 has Nagios running on it. Now, in order for these applications to work effectively and serve the users right, we need to not only install the applications, but also their correct configurations on the servers. For instance, we might have to create some config files for Git. In case of Jenkins, we'll need to install some config files along with tools like Java, which are required for Jenkins. Additionally, we may also have to create some users for Jenkins. Similarly, Tomcat requires Java, users, and some management. Database and Nagios would also have its own requirements. If we're managing a small set of servers, the task is fairly easy. We can manage it manually. Wherever there is a requirement, we log in to change the configuration and meet the requirement. If we have to change something in the Tomcat server, we can log into the machine, perform the required task, and our service will be up and running again. But what if we have 5 Git servers and 10 Jenkins machines or 100 database servers? What do we do in such scenarios? How do we manage such big infrastructures? In such situations, when the infrastructure is large and the task difficult, it makes more sense for us to manage it programmatically. That is, we need to figure out a way to define and control the configuration of all servers from a single location. The location lies in configuration management, which is also known as IAC, Infrastructure as Code. There are a number of tools that allow us to achieve this goal, but before we get into them, let us try and delve a little deeper into the advantages of using these tools. The first advantage is fairly obvious. We don't have to perform all our tasks manually. Anytime we are required to make changes to the configuration of any of our servers, we can use the management tool in our system to do so, and it will implement it for us. The second greatest advantage of using a configuration management tool is that it reduces our dependency on the IT guy. Generally, changes to configuration are made by the IT guy. Whenever we need to make a change, we usually raise a ticket, and someone from the IT department resolves the issue for us. The issue could be anything. It could be a permission issue or a tool that has to be installed or any task that requires admin access. We are simply dependent on the IT guy to perform it. But with a configuration management tool in our infrastructure, we would no longer need the IT guy to make these changes. We can make them on our own. The tool will ensure that the changes we make are properly applied to the servers and to our infrastructure. Speaking of tools, there are many available in the market. Puppet is a really popular tool. It is spoken about and used widely in the configuration management industry. Then there is Ansible, SaltStack, Chef, and CF Engine, which are also popular in their own right. The options are many. In our complete course, we focus on Puppet, how it works, what are its configurations, what is its architecture, and how we can use it to resolve issues of configuration management. We cover topics like Puppet installation, architecture, resources, classes, monitors, and all the modules that can be used. We cover module installation, development, and sharing. And lastly, we cover Puppet Resource Abstraction Layer, RAL, which allows you to define even those configurations that are independent of the platform. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next module, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more information on all our courses. Join a CAD Guild now to kickstart your dream career.